space movement and evolution, plate tectonics and continental drift are the principal theories explaining this process and their geological features. Alfred Wegener's continental drift theory states that the Pangaea, the continents of the day, gradually drifted apart, and plate tectonics proposes that the Earth crust is a network of large and tiny plates that move across the molten core. So we have the picture of the Alfred Wegener and the demonstration of plate tectonic theory. And we have the Earth before the breakup of the Pangaea. We have the learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, we should be able to understand the continental drift theory, explore plate tectonic theory, compare and contrast the theories, understand the impact of these theories. We have the references and some of the activities that we should undertake after the class. Let me share the notes. We are discussing about the theories, and we have the theories explaining the art movement. And a well-supported theory aids in the comprehension of any collection of ideas or facts. The two theories of plate tectonics and continental drift attempt to explain how the earth moves. And we start by the theory of the continental drift. The origins of the six continents are clarified by the theory proposed by Alfred Wegener, and this is the justification it provides. Number one is that Pantalas was a massive ocean that encircled Pangaea, a single shelly landmass with a floor rich in Sima. Laurasia was situated in the northern hemisphere encircling the equator, whereas Gondwanaland was situated in the southern hemisphere around the South Pole. These two regions were separated by the modern Mediterranean Sea, which was originally known as the Dis, a narrow ocean. When Laurasia split apart, the Laurentian Shield and Fennoscandia, that is the modern-day Europe, Asia, and North America, were created. And these plates subsequently moved north to their current locations. The Indian subcontinent, Antarctica, South America, Australia, and Africa were all parts of the Gondwana, and Africa and India were moving northward. We have the evidences supporting the theory. Number one is that assembling the coasts of Africa and South America like a jigsaw piece. Number two is because tropical vegetation have been buried, a coal has been discovered in 40 degrees north and 55 degrees north. Rock can be considerably displaced by certain faults, such as Scotland's Great Glen Fault. Number four is that the Cape and Buenos Aires plates both follow an east-west direction. And the evidence of lateral displacement along the Red Sea's beaches suggests that the earth crust may have moved during their formation. There is an evidence of glaciation in Madagascar and India and two African nations south of equator, which suggests that these regions were once near the South Pole based on ancient glacial deposits. You have the plate tectonic theory, and the theory explains that the earth crust is made up of blocks called plates. And there are seven large ones as follows. We have the Eurasia plate, Australian plate, Africa plate, Atlantic plate, and North America plate, South American plate, and the Pacific plate. We have the significance of plate movement. Number one is that it contains the mechanisms that produce topographical features like ocean trenches and fold mountains. The breathtaking natural environment is what lures tourists, and magma eruptions have the potential to produce precious minerals. That marks the end of our discussion.